Welcome back once again, everyone, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the channel. I'm your host, Crypto Boy, and I welcome you all to the channel. So, I have made a lot of videos on different coins and give you some good entries as well and good analysis. So, why don't you subscribe the channel first, then we start the video. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about Cardano. So, let's jump to the chart. So you can see we have seen some good rallies in Cardano in the previous year as well as in the recovery modes. Cardano is one of those coins which is always first to recover. So we will talk about that as well. But first I want to talk about something crazy that happened. You see this right there. I uploaded a video yesterday about this thing talking about Cardano, and you see this right move, the precise move to this place when I talked about Cardano. So if you watched the video, you would have made profits from this zone. I mean, I can show you video, but that would waste your time, and I don't want to waste your time. So let's talk about this. Okay, so this is going to be happening for the third time that you are going to get this massive opportunity to grab back Cardano at the point I am talking about. So I have been talking about this point for so long, and you can see that this was the crossover, what we call the golden cross. I have talked about that in my course. By the way, I have uploaded a complete technical analysis course about this whole thing, the technical analysis. And if you want to do that course, if you want to become a technical analyst, that course is right in the description. Go check in the description. It's on Udemy. 20 lectures, 4 hours crash course all about technical analysis. So you can check out the course. Okay, so you see that Cardano, it broke down this place, this point I was talking about in my previous video. It broke below this level, and this is the exact arrow that I draw in the previous video, and I talked about that Cardano failing to close above this would bring it back to this zone. And this is the exact zone that I have been waiting for the accumulation of Cardano. I mean, if you get Cardano on this point, this is the order block. You need to understand that. You have to grab as much as you can. You can see the reference here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times Cardano came here, and each time you get a chance. I mean, I don't want to complicate things. I don't want to make you feel like alienating some things and talking about this analysis being so hard and to learn. I want to talk in easy language. So let's just go to the back history. See, you have first 18%, then you get another bounce of 21%, then we go back again to this same zone, you get 16%. So 18, 16, 21%, that would be an average of 18. Quick maths. That is an average of 18% move each time, 18% profit, just in spot, I'm talking about that. Now, if you're using leverage, for example, you use 10x leverage, that is 180% profit just from that zone we're talking about. So, I mean, if that zone is, and you see this move as well, this was a huge order block. You can see this from this move, you jumped up like that as well. But don't be so much greedy. Things like this can happen as well. And one more thing that I have learned from the past experience is that if you are testing a support more often, if you test a support multiple times, that support is getting ready to be broken. That means it is near to be broken. So just be careful when you get an entry here. Use the method that I taught in my course. That the link in the description. The DCA method and the risk management method. Use that method to enter this trade. If you're using your own strategies, I am not sure about what your strategies are, but you have a chance of liquidation if the wick goes right there. I mean, this support can fail anytime. It could happen. It's getting tested third time. So be ready for that as well. And this is my ultimate zone. I mean, if we jump to the macro, this was the shorter time frame. Jump into the macro. On the macro scale, this could be expected as well. You can expect this one. I mean, this one is easy to be happening. You see, you have one touch here as well. You go back to the history, second one here, go back, a third one here, oh, fourth, fifth. So you have so much confidence of the history of Cardano taking support on this line. It has taken support. I mean, it did not move up, but it can as well. But at the same time, this is the possibility as well. It can come down to here. But this is a good move. I mean, you can put a stop loss on here as well. This would be the point for good accumulations, good zones for Cardano on the macro scale. So let's jump back to the 1 hour time frame and get you some insights on the order blocks and the break of structures. Okay. So right there, you see this place is the break of structure. I mean, I want to go to this point, horizontal ray. So there you say you had this structure, and right there it went back up and did some kind of fake out. That was your break of structure for this zone. And now talking about this point, this is your second point, and this is the exact place where I would want to place my long entry for like good short scalp trade, because this is 1 hour time frame. I don't want to trade a big thing. And right now you can see if I was placing a trade right there, it triggered here, but that is not my strategy. I don't trade on break of structures and these things. I mostly trade on order blocks and VPVR and big support levels. So anyways, this was done and it happened right now. So what else can we expect? What is the next move that might happen? I can expect this move, something like this. That would complete a head and shoulder pattern. I mean, I talk about things sometimes hypothetically, but mostly they end up happening. So this would be your head and this would be your shoulder. You can see this pattern forming on multiple coins. That is just the reason I believe the Bitcoin can go down and it can go dirty. I mean, if you look at the on-chain analysis of the Glassnode, you have seen that Bitcoin did not go anywhere into the outflow things. We still have a lot of inflows coming continuously into the exchanges until and unless we do not see those miners not selling and start accumulation, and we see those people doing those inflows not doing those inflows, and we see some outflows in the market. That would be some positive sign that the Bitcoins are moving back to the cold storages. Until then, I mean, you can expect these things to be happening. So I think that will be it for Cardano. I would create another video for Bitcoin as well. So make sure you subscribe this channel and you like the video, turn on your notifications as well if you don't want to miss the updates. So thank you so much for watching the video till here. See you in the next video.